Hello guys, and welcome to the parents' bathroom. Any guesses why I'm in here? I'm doing a hair video, of course. Every time me and the siblings have done anything to our hair, it's usually in this bathroom.
Today we are buzzing off half my head.
Just cut it. I don't even care what you do. Just don't cut off that much.
That was pretty bad.
Amber. No.
Don't cry if your hair falls out.
You have a 6 head.
You're one head. Uh-oh.
Why would you say uh-oh?
Amber, your turn.
Is admitting.
Oh!
Amber, why would you do it like that? What do you mean?
Oh my god.
It sounds a little aggressive, Andrew.
Cut it.
Why'd you cut that much?
So you might be wondering, Amber, are you going to be destroying your hair today like we just saw in those past clips over there? No. I'm going to be sharing my hair routine, how I keep my hair healthy and strong and soft, even after getting it bleached and dyed, etc. I've been on YouTube for a couple years now, and I realized recently I've never done my actual hair routine in a video. And I have plenty of tips to share with you guys. I've learned a thing or two over the years. Hey, come in! Point to the camera. So today I'm going to bring you guys into my shower to show you my hair care tips in there. And then once I get out of the shower, I'm going to show you my tips for when I dry and style it. So without further ado, let's hop in the shower. Hello guys, and welcome to the shower. Yes, I'm wearing a bikini. Did you think I was going to do this naked? No. So of course we start off by turning on the water, check the temp, splash your face a bit. You do not want this scalding hot. I'm sorry to those of you who take really hot showers, but it's just not good for your hair. So you want it at a medium or cooler temperature if you're comfortable with that. Also a big thing is I don't wash my hair every single day. I wash my hair probably 2 to 3 times a week. Obviously you're going to wash your body more often than that, but you don't want to rinse out all of the oils from your hair every single day. I know some people are worried about their hair getting greasy, but over time as you start showering less often, your hair will get less and less greasy. Also, we're quarantining right now, so it's not like you're seeing anyone, so right now is the perfect time to start washing your hair a little bit less often. So I'm just getting my hair all nice and wet, and then I'm going to pull out my shampoo and conditioner. I use my set from Function & Beauty. I've been using this brand for over a year now. The reason why I love their products so much is because you can make them custom to you so that you get the results that you need for your hair type. So you just take a short quiz online, fill out your hair care goals, your hair type. You might have noticed that my shampoo is a really dark purple color. That's because I lightened my hair with bleach a few months ago, and the purple helps to tone my hair and keep it looking less brassy and orange toned. I also chose to have my shampoo and conditioner enhance my curls and lessen the frizz in my hair, just because those are my specific hair care goals, and they have worked so well for me. And they offer other products like body wash, body lotion, and other hair care products. Like I use a serum once I get out of the shower. You'll see that later. And all of those products are custom made as well. I've been using all these products for so long, and I cannot recommend them enough. They're literally my holy grail. So if you guys want to try them out too, you can actually click the link in my description and you can get 20% off. So anyways, about how I use these products, you can see that the shampoo lathers up really well, and I use it everywhere on my scalp and on the longer part of my hair. This is because it's the toning shampoo, so I want it to tone all of my hair, obviously. And then for the conditioner, I use probably 4 to 5 pumps just because I have a lot of hair and I really want to hydrate it. Sometimes people will tell you not to use conditioner near your scalp because it'll make your hair greasy, but I actually do put some conditioner on the top part of my head because it helps to make it less frizzy. And while I'm putting these products in, I usually don't have the shower water running just because I don't really need it at that point. And then my dog Bubby was knocking at the door, so I had to get out of the shower to let him in because he was feeling lonely, so he wanted to watch me like a little creep. I let my conditioner sit for at least 5 minutes so that my hair can get fully hydrated and soft. And while this is happening, I pull out my body wash and I scrub a dub. This is from Function & Beauty, of course, like I said. This smells like pears. Nice and bubbly. And then I just rinse everything off. My hair, my body, everything. My shower is complete. Then I just squeeze the excess water out of my hair. You don't want to wring it out too aggressively because that can be damaging, so I just squeeze my hair out. Then once all the water is out, I let my hair air dry for about 5 minutes before I carry on with the rest of my routine. Alrighty, I'm out of the shower and I have a shirt on again. Now continuing, I'm not sure if this is the best method, but I do just kind of slap my hair around to get all the rest of the water out. Now I am not going to grab a towel because that is damaging to your hair and makes it more frizzy. Instead, I'm going to take a t-shirt and use that to dry my hair. So I'm just squeezing it gently. You don't want to be too aggressive. And then I'm going to try and do the little hair wrap thing with the t-shirt. It doesn't really work, but I just kind of want it out of my face while I moisturize my body. Of course, I'm taking my Function Beauty lotion. This also smells like pears. I love it, and I put it all over my body. Then I take the hair wrap out and I make sure my hair is in a middle part, and then I just barely brush through my hair with my fingers because my hair is a little bit wavy, so I want to keep that curl formation, and brushing it would kind of mess that up. Then I scrunch my hair up to also form those curls, and then this is the hair serum I was talking about. It's just a hair oil. I use 6 total pumps for my entire head, so 3 pumps per each side of my head. So I'm just getting it all incorporated, hydrating my hair, and scrunching it up again to get that curl shape. This is a really big technique for people with curly hair. Mine's only a little bit wavy, but it still helps me out a lot. And then I just let my hair air dry again. I never really use heat on it. I don't blow dry it, straighten it, curl it, or anything. And that is a big reason why my hair is so healthy. And then a tip to keep my waves intact is I don't really brush my hair. If it's feeling tangled, I just detangle it with my fingers. You want to avoid brushing your hair if you have wavy or curly hair because it just makes your hair super frizzy and breaks apart all your curls. And then a huge thing for my hair health is I try to eat healthy and hydrate. So I'm vegan, so I focus a lot on fruits and vegetables. Or if I can't eat fresh as often, I try to supplement with vitamins. And now I'm going to share my method for how I dry my hair to make my curls look a little bit nicer. So I just split my hair into the two sides and then divide each side into two strands, which I twist together. And then I don't tie them or anything, I just leave them twisted like this and let my hair air dry in this position. This way, instead of having frizzier waves, I get softer, bouncier looking curls. And then I just sit like this until my hair is completely dry. So I will catch you when this process is all done.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Amber.
Hi.
Oh, you smell pretty.
Oh, thanks,
Oh,
Mom.
you must have showered today.
I made Mom re-say that because she hugged me when she got home. She said, "You smell good." It's my hair.
Hello guys, it's later today and my hair has fully dried. Stop doing that. Actually, no. Ashley here just got back from the hairdresser. So her hair looks really good because it just got toned and everything. And my hair is so old and from August. I have to go get it redone soon probably.
But the curls are on
But the curls
point.
are natural. Ashley's were heat curls. So I do probably have to go fix my hair color soon. But in terms of hair health and like hair shape and
Amber's
the
hair
curl
is so much more
structure,
healthy than mine.
I'm not even trying to say that.
Well, I'm just
We don't have
also
to
saying
compete.
that your hair is the healthiest hair I've ever felt in my life.
Oh my god, thanks, Ashley.
Mhm.
Oh, even my hairdresser, the first time I got my hair dyed, was like, wait, what the heck? It's so soft.
It's so soft.
That's in one
Amber's
of my-
hair is so soft.
That's in one of my YouTube videos where I got my hair bleached for the first time. I just find when I dry my hair like this, all twisted up, it becomes a lot more soft than when I leave it to air dry all frizzy.
I gotta watch your video for the tips.
But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed my little hair care routine and all my tips I had to offer. Let me know if you guys have any of your own tips. I would love to hear them, especially if you think that your hair type is similar to mine. And let me know what I should do with my hair next, because I think I have to book a hair appointment soon to get it cut and recolored. So let me know what you think would look good on me. Should I do some side bangs? Should I do blonde? Should I go back dark? Let me know. I don't know what to do. Should I just copy Ashley's hair completely?
I think you should just
I
copy my
think
hair
I probably
completely.
should.
And then we could like make videos and be like doing this with my twin. Then everyone will be like, wait, are they twins? But it might
Facts.
also cause mass confusion, but it's fine.
That's what I'd love to do.
Isn't that the point of being on social media?
Is that not the point? Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope
Thanks,
you enjoyed the
guys.
video. And we'll see you again soon.
And drop a like and subscribe.
Yeah, totally do that if you feel like
Totally
it.
do that.
Totally do that. Mwah. Peace.